my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, let's try using turmeric alongside with baking soda, and let's see how our skin is gonna glow. Okay, because these things are actually natural. Turmeric contains an ingredient that works wonders in the skin. I'm gonna be telling you all of that and showing you all of that in the video. So let's dive into this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. And now, turmeric has anti-inflammatory property and it can fight acne. Turmeric is excellent for acne because it is natural antiseptic and helps to reduce or keep your skin away from bacterial spreading. It reduces dark circles, protects against sun damage. It helps to soothe the skin, and it also helps to remove rough skin. Alright, the next ingredient we're going to be needing baking soda. Now, baking soda is a mild exfoliant. Baking soda makes it a wonderful ingredient to help banish acne and pimples to the skin. It helps to repair rough skin. Baking soda helps dry out pimples, and its antibacterial property preventing further breakout, and it helps to repair a rough and damaged skin. And then we're going to be needing potato. Now, potato starch contains a lightening property that helps to leave your skin looking really young and supple. Now, potato also contains a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin. It helps to remove dark circles. It helps for a rough skin, and it also prevents aging. And the next one we're going to be needing is going to be aloe vera. Now, aloe vera is vast. Aloe vera is a wonderful remedy that works wonders on the skin. It helps for aging. It helps to clear out dryness. It is great for an irritated skin. It also helps for sunburn. So it's going to help you in repairing all of your rough skin. Excuse me. Alright, so for the turmeric, guys, we're going to be needing to use 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, and we're going to be scooping in 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Now, you can also use the fresh aloe vera gel. It is actually very good. So for the tomato, guys, you have to peel it, alright, or you can actually just wash it really well and remove the dirt from the peel, and then you use it that way, because the potato peel also helps so well. Alright guys, this is optional. You can either crate it or you can just blend it, but for me, for this minute, I am going to be creating it. Okay, alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do is to sieve out the potato juice. So we're going to be turning that into a strainer, and then we're going to press it all out. Alright, so here's the potato juice and the starch is beneath it, so you would have to stir it. Okay, now we're gonna be putting the potato juice in this treatment, and we would have to put it and weigh the consistency first so that it won't be too liquid, neither will it be too solid. Alright guys, so I think this consistency is actually very perfect. Okay guys, so this would actually help you in repairing all of your damaged skin, and this is how it looks like. Okay, this whole natural stuff has actually been helping me a whole lot, because you know, when you're in this condition of or rather state of mind, there are a lot of stuff coming on the skin, but this actually helps me so much, and it smells really great also. So you would have to, you don't need to refrigerate this, okay, because it's actually really cooling right now. You have to apply it everywhere. So a generous application of this would go a long way. And your skin needs turmeric powder really well. Okay guys, so now before you allow this set and dry onto your skin, you would have to first of all give it a little massage, okay, like you would have to scrub it, okay. Now you'll be feeling some little particles in this. Now those little particles is going to enable your scrubbing. You don't scrub too hard, just a little to, you know, remove the dead skin cells. And most of the time you tend to have pimples at the eyebrow area, so you scrub that place also. Okay, just a little scrub would go a long way. A mild exfoliating scrub. And of course, you can also scrub your lip with this, because it's going to help you to lighten up or remove all of the dead skin on your lip. And this feels so refreshing, you know. Alright, so after that you can hold on to it for it to dry. Alright, when it dries, then you can just wash it off with a cool water. Now you also have to wash it off with a toilet soap, otherwise the turmeric is just going to stain on your face. Well, your skin, your face is going to get lighter, because turmeric powder actually helps to lighten up your skin alongside with the potato juice, okay. But it's not going to bleach your skin. We're not talking about bleaching here. We're actually talking about it removing the dead skin cells, and your skin is going to get lighter, like brighter, okay. So that's it guys, it feels really relieving. It feels like I should not stop scrubbing. Like, it is so nice. I am loving it. And when you're consistent in it, you are going to be seeing your dark spot fade away, your rough skin repair, your wrinkled skin straighten, your fine lines remove, and all of that stuff. And it's wonderful. So if you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video. And I'll see you again. Bye guys.